Do you have difficulty to turn back your Instagram account into a personal account? Don't worry, I will explain how to turn your Instagram account back into a personal account in a short and easy way. So, make sure you watch this video until it's finished. The first step after you open your Instagram, click on your profile photo in the lower right corner. The next step, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. In this option, click on Settings. After you enter the Settings option, click on Account Settings. The next step, to turn back your business account into a personal account, scroll down and click on the Switch to Personal Account. You just need to wait a few seconds to complete this process. Okay, that's how to turn back your Instagram account into a personal account. If this tutorial solves your problem, don't forget to like and subscribe. Write in the comments column what tutorial you need right now.